Hey there, I'm Dave. I'm here to introduce Mule Motors, a bold, probably ill-advised, definitely underfunded effort to build hybrid electric work trucks for the real world. Now, before you get too impressed, no, I'm not an engineer, and neither is my man Scotty. Well, I guess if building roundabouts counts. Together, we're the founders of Mule Motors, two guys with big dreams, very little funding, and one dusty old Ford Ranger I drove the pants off before it blew. We're planning to rip the guts out of that truck and retrofit it with our own hybrid electric powertrain. We call it the Mule Drive. The electric motor is the horse, it does most of the pulling. The gas generator is the donkey. It's stubborn, slow, and keeps things going when the battery says, I'm out. It's a mashup of old school durability and new school efficiency. And yeah, we're kinda making it up as we go. Our philosophy is beauty and simplicity. That means flat panels, simple interiors, modular drivetrains, and enough space under the hood to actually work on the thing. Because if we can fix it, anybody can. We're building this for the folks who don't need self-driving software or leather seats. They just need a truck that starts in the cold, hauls lumber, and doesn't cost more than their mortgage. Now, Scotty, he's the make-it-happener, which means I usually find him holding a torch near something flammable while saying, trust me. Me, I'm just here to have stupid ideas. We're documenting every step of this project so you'll get to see the sparks, the drinking, the breakthroughs, and the moments where we pretend the zip ties count as engineering. Because we're not building this for investors in suits, we're building it for small business owners, ranchers, contractors, and the kind of folks who fix things with duct tape and intuition. So yeah, we're two idiots, but two idiots with a plan and a welder. At least we will have one as soon as we fix they also broke an F-150 so we can sell it and afford to buy one. And a fire extinguisher. I swear it's somewhere around here. This is Mule Motors. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're doing it anyway. Stick around. Oh yeah.